All right, so today we got a couple things going on. We have new parts for Roman's Mini. We have a Helix Motorsports intercooler that we're gonna put on. We got a new valve cover for the Mustang. We got a lot to do today, but we're gonna start with the intercooler on Roman's car. So let's go ahead and get started.
We're kind of improvising here, but I kind of know what's going on to get the bumper off. So the first step is to take out all the little clips to get this front grille off. So there's the 4 across the top, and then there's just the tabs in the bottom here. So we're gonna have to go ahead and do that. I already took the clips out of the top, and we'll just have to disconnect the bottom part.
Oh, there we go. I got it. You can finger squeeze it.
Oops. Yeah. These all need pliers.
Yeah. Yeah, so these tabs, you can see they're kind of hook designed. You squeeze them, and they come out. Easy enough. I'm kind of just guessing at this point, but I'm removing fasteners until the bumper falls out.
That's a T25 for clarification.
Yeah. T25, remove some screws here and there, and over there. And then put them in your storage location.
We have to go underneath, and then also in the wheel wells.
All right, jack it up, Roman.
There's no good way to jack up a Mini Cooper with a crappy jack.
Sorry, see there's a screw here that I think has to come out, right? That's what we're doing, just all these?
Yeah.
How many are there?
I feel like there's 3 screws and
3 tabs and 2 screws. That's what we're working on.
I was close.
Pro tip, if you're ever gonna take these little push tabs out,
Buy a thing.
buy extras because 9 times out of 10 you're gonna wreck them. So it's good to have spares.
Or the tool to take them out.
Yeah, the tool to take them out properly works too, but sometimes that even messes them up. Or you can do what I did on the Focus, which is take them out and forget to put them back in so that you have extras. And then total your car and then get another one so you have extras for the new car that already has all of them. All right, so a good way to get these little push pins out is to get your screwdriver beside it and then give it a little twist. And usually if you work your way around, you can kind of slowly walk it up with minimal damage to the actual pin itself. Takes a little longer this way, but and once you get to this point, this is a good opportunity to grab a pair of needle nose pliers and get behind it and pull it out that way. That we have a arm on either side of the pin, and then it should just pop right out. We'll see if we can wiggle, twist a little bit. There you go, it's out. You can see I kind of bent the head of it a little bit, but it bends right back, and it's good to get back in.
Listen, I didn't watch much of a video. I told you I watched maybe 3 minutes of a video. Figure it out. Alright, like I said, I didn't think that came off with the bumper. Because we have to take the fender liner out. There is another light we need to get disconnected, like a fog light or something. Oops, son of a bitch.
There we go.
Why are you taking it off?
Just kind of the bumper. There's a little tab in there that you have to get off. So peel that back, and that tab right there. Underneath. That one has to come off first.
Oh, I have a thing.
Here's the thing.
I got it most of the way.
There it goes. Should just pop out now, like this.
Yeah.
So this is the one we're talking about. You have to get it from the back side by moving the fender liner back, and then it reveals one more screw.
Same thing on the other side, but there's no fender liner on that side, so.
One part of it, and
That's a lot of stuff. Why got so much stuff? Come on, shake. Torque. I need another torque.
That hurts. Okay, so it looks like these tabs kind of go up and in. Yeah, like that. Okay. I'm just glad there's nothing behind me. So like, just go. Just like that, right? And then this will go. I mean, it won't be the whole way to the edges,
Right. But it'll be the whole way top probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do.
We could probably hack that up. Hack these off, right here and here, and put them in the sides, or just gut this. All right, how's the intercooler going, Roman?
Oh, that's really easy. I think. Okay, so next step. Really the only thing holding this in here, it supports and then hose clamps, as far as we know. So we'll see how this goes. I already started loosening this one, so it wasn't just like this. Ta-da. We'll loosen those clamps, or we'll just pull the thing out. Oh wow, look at that. I make holes so I can loosen it. Look at that. That's like, I like that. I appreciate that. I mean, they could just put it in an easier spot, but this works too. The other one is not the same way, because it's actually up top.
Oh, your fan even goes down to your intercooler.
Yeah, we can be fancy. Yeah, compare that to that. What a thing. That was me.
So, new, old. You can see the old one is about the size of the core on this one, the smaller core. But then it has all this extra. More area equals cooler air going into the motor. Science. Colder air is denser, so you can get more air in the motor. There you go, Roman. More air in the motor means more power.
Turbos.
Yeah, turbos, like magic.
Yep. Air power. Exhaust. Brum brum. This might be fun. I might just have to like throw it in there and then tighten it at the bottom, I guess. From underneath. That'd be a better idea here.
So that's a in at all?
I mean, they're not on the hoses, but this side's at least on. You want to get it in the hoses first? Yeah. Well,
There we go. That sets in. Just a little bit. There's no leverage back here. Alright, try again. That's fun. Alright, let's see what it looks like with the bumper on with the little cutout below. Yeah, it's not bad. They could definitely use little side things again, though.
Yeah.
Put that fin with the grill back on. Close. Give me the bumper. Give it. I would need to cut it out really well.
I mean, since these are solid, it hides everything else.
Yeah. But that honeycomb hides the intercooler.
Right. I mean, I'd rather cut it than leave it out.
You have an angle grinder, right?
I don't think so. Also, yes, we have seahorses and garbage cans.
Sawhorses?
What did I say?
Seahorses? I think they're being very judgmental about what we're doing right now. I should just shave all these off. I tried to do as good as a job I could as like getting consistent across. It's a lot of grinding. Ow! Put that there.
That's it. That looks good.
Yeah, that looks really good.
Yeah. That'll work. You're never gonna notice the top. And this is even lifted.
Yeah. That looks really good actually. I'm surprised it came out that well. So we're taking the headlight out because there's little clips in here that need to come out. They did not come with the over fender.
We didn't need to take that out, but
Couldn't break it, thanks.
so this is the clip that he was talking about. These do not come out with the flare. There's a little slot inside the fender flare that these have to slot into. And, at least for us, the easiest way to put them back in the car, take them out, put them on the flare, and then put the whole flare back on. Yeah, we didn't actually need to take apart the flare to get the bumper off. But yeah.
So your intercooler is just not equal. It's not an equal length intercooler.
Yeah. I like the sound.
It is an equal opportunity intercooler.
God damn it. Equally broken fenders. One leftover screw and a broken piece. So we'll call you in. Hey asshole, put this in there. So you don't want this?
No,
I mean, I want it, but leave that in there.
so it's slightly bigger.
Is it enough?
We're getting creative, Corey.
Creative in what way?
Well, I mean, we don't have a big enough wrench. But we have a tire iron.
You just unsent my
That size.
camera mount.
It's on there though. You could jack the car up by that thing now.
All right, Roman. What do you think?
Well, I bought this. I bought that. I bought that. So, I spent a lot of money, and we'll see. I don't know. But I needed it for a tune, and I want a tune. Steps to get you there.
Alright guys, it was fun, but get the hell out of my crib. I wanted to go underneath. Oh wait.
Dug himself.
Bugatti W16 quad turbo.